mid-air emergency on board a Boeing 777 passenger plane, an engine failing shortly after takeoff. New images showing the plane in the air, smoke trailing behind, and coming from the right engine. Pieces of the plane raining to the ground in a Denver suburb, littering an athletic field. One piece puncturing a hole in the roof of a home you see right there. And take a look, this piece landing in the front yard of a home, missing it by just a matter of feet. People on the ground say that they heard a loud explosion, then saw smoke trailing from the plane, the pilot calling a mayday before a white-knuckle return to the airport. ABC's Gio Benitez leads us off with the details just coming in.
Tonight, dramatic new images from a Boeing 777 making an emergency landing, the engine almost entirely exposed, fire clearly visible, debris falling from the sky. The United Airlines pilot calling in a mayday.
Mayday, mayday, United 828 heavy, mayday aircraft just experienced engine failure, needed turn immediately.
Massive metal pieces from the engine landing in front yards and sports fields in several neighborhoods just outside Denver. United Airlines Flight 328 departed Denver International Airport at 12:49 p.m. local time, headed toward Honolulu. Shortly after takeoff, at 1 o'clock, the plane experiencing a right engine failure, forcing the crew to turn it around and make that emergency landing.
This big ring is actually the nacelle, the very front end of the engine. So you can see when the engine came apart internally, the force was so great that it blew that cover of the engine off and into this neighborhood.
Witnesses reported seeing smoke and hearing a loud boom, but incredibly, nobody on the ground was injured. The FAA tonight saying the plane returned to Denver International Airport and landed safely. The passengers deplaned and were bused to the terminal.
Gio Benitez joins us now, and Gio, this could have ended much differently. What happens next in the investigation?
Well, we're just getting some new information now. A person familiar with the situation is telling ABC News that investigators will focus on what they call a possible uncontained failure. That is when engine parts just start flying out. This is incredibly rare, so the NTSB is now investigating.
No question about that. The alarming video. Gio, thank you.